I went outside because it's really hot inside the house. So I chose the backyard, and I felt like I was alone except for my dog, and I am hearing creak, crackling, some leaves and all that everywhere back there. And up in the tree as well. It's like behind the fence and up in the tree. Huh. Weird.